Got high blood pressure? Uncover the top 10 signs and best herbs to tame it. Plus, simple home recipes to lower hypertension. Watch now and take control. Severe headaches, often in the morning or at the back of the head, can signal dangerously high blood pressure levels, reaching a hypertensive crisis stage. Though rare, sudden nosebleeds may occur when blood pressure spikes, linked to fragile vessels under extreme pressure, but this isn't a common hypertension symptom. Difficulty breathing or feeling winded can emerge during a hypertensive crisis as the heart struggles to pump against high pressure, reducing oxygen delivery. Tightness or sharp pain in the chest may indicate high blood pressure stressing the heart, potentially leading to angina or a heart attack if untreated. Feeling lightheaded or dizzy, especially when standing, can result from blood pressure spikes affecting brain circulation, often tied to a hypertensive emergency. Vision changes, like blurriness or double vision, may occur when high blood pressure damages retinal blood vessels, a sign of severe hypertension needing urgent care. Unusual tiredness or weakness can subtly hint at high blood pressure as the body works harder to circulate blood, though it's often overlooked as a symptom. Sudden nervousness or unease may accompany a blood pressure surge, mimicking panic but tied to physical strain on the body during a hypertensive episode. Feeling sick or vomiting can strike during a hypertensive crisis, as extreme pressure disrupts normal bodily functions, often paired with dizziness or headache. Palpitations or a racing heart may signal high blood pressure overworking the heart, a critical symptom in severe cases that warrants immediate medical attention. So, which herbs can we use to hypertension? Here are some sample recipes, but first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Hawthorn helps dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Boil water, add dried hawthorn berries, steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep hawthorn berries in water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Mix crushed hawthorn berries with honey, stir well, and take a spoonful daily. Garlic reduces blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Boil water, add crushed garlic, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Mix minced garlic with honey, let sit for a day, and take a spoonful daily. Sauté garlic and onion, add broth, simmer for 15 minutes, and serve warm. Hibiscus lowers blood pressure with its diuretic properties. Boil water, add dried hibiscus flowers, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep hibiscus flowers in cold water overnight, strain, add lemon, and serve chilled. Blend hibiscus tea with berries and yogurt until smooth, then drink. Ginger improves circulation and helps reduce blood pressure. Boil water, add fresh ginger slices, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Mix grated ginger with honey, stir well, and take a spoonful daily. Blend ginger with water and lemon, strain, and drink fresh. Basil L. Contains compounds that relax blood vessels, lowering pressure. Boil water, add fresh basil leaves, steep for 10 minutes, strain and drink. Blend basil leaves, garlic, nuts, and olive oil until smooth. Use as a spread. Steep basil leaves in cold water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Celery. Acts as a diuretic to reduce blood volume and pressure. Blend celery stalks with water, strain, and drink fresh. Sauté celery and onion, add broth, simmer for 15 minutes, blend, and serve. Toss chopped celery with olive oil and lemon juice, then serve fresh. Lavender. Reduces stress and anxiety, helping lower blood pressure. Boil water, add dried lavender buds, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep lavender buds in cold water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Mix dried lavender buds with honey, let sit for a day, and take a spoonful daily. Olive leaf. Contains compounds that relax arteries and lower pressure. Boil water, add dried olive leaves, steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep olive leaves in water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Sauté onion, add olive leaves and broth, simmer for 15 minutes, and serve. Cat's claw dilates blood vessels and acts as a natural antihypertensive. Boil water, add dried cat's claw bark, steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink. Steep cat's claw bark in water overnight, strain, and sip throughout the day. Mix crushed cat's claw bark with honey, stir well, and take a spoonful daily. Flaxseed. Rich in omega-3s, it helps reduce blood pressure and inflammation. Blend ground flaxseed with banana and milk until smooth, then drink. Boil water, add ground flaxseed, steep for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Mix ground flaxseed with yogurt and honey. Stir well and eat. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.